Hi guys, I hope this finds you well. Thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about how we can make our natural seeds and save them. Then we plant, we use them to plant in the next season. It's not very okay continue buying seeds, but there are some seeds that you can manage to save. We have the tomato seeds, you can save those ones. We have some other seeds that you can be easily saved. But today we want to talk about how we can extract seeds from tomatoes, how we can prepare them, then actually save them to be planted in the next season. So here we have our 4 tomatoes. We have our 5 tomatoes. These 5 tomatoes are very ripe, and they are now okay to be now extracted to be easily extracted seeds from it, because they are already ripened, and to means they are mature enough to produce that to give us enough seeds to plant in the new seasons. Let's take a look as we are going to have all the processes. First, we want to wash our tomatoes to remove that out of them. After washing them, we have our knives. Here is our knife. We have our shiver. Here is a shiver, and we also have our our jug. Here is a jug with clean water inside. So take a look. We are going to cut the tomatoes into. We bisect them to different sizes, as this will make us so easy to squeeze the seeds out of them very easily. So first we are going to cut them, then we squeeze the seeds. Take a look as we go through all the processes. Okay, we already cut our tomatoes, and you can now see the seeds. Those are the seeds. You can now see how the seeds are coming up, how they're really looking like. We have our seeds there, and we are now going to go to another step. The next step is we want to squeeze these our tomatoes. Then after squeezing the tomatoes, we now go to sieve. So the third step now is to squeeze the seeds out of the tomatoes. Take a look as we are going to do that. Here we are squeezing our seeds. You can see these are the seeds. We want to squeeze them inside this clean water. This is a clean water with the jug. So we want to squeeze them inside here. So we now squeeze our tomato seeds. We have squeezed our tomato seed already, and you can see them are just inside the water. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to sieve this water to now remain with the seeds. Then the remaining water, we can pour the remaining water outside, because we only need the seeds. That is the main thing. That's why we are doing this. So we are going to sieve the whole water to come up with the seeds. Here is how we sieve it, and you can see we have our seeds with us. So this is how we sieve, and now remain with only the tomato seedlings, and we make sure that the water is completely drained off. After draining the water off, then with the next step we are going to do here is that we are going to expose these seedlings to sunlight so that they can dry up. After drying up, we can now use the seedlings to we can store store some, or apart from storing some, we can uh, make some now to be planted in the nursery bed before transplanting them to the seed bed to give us new fruits and new seedlings for the good harvest and for the abundance of our sustainable ecosystem. Thank you. Tune in our channel. This is part of seed saving. I'm glad to share this with you. You can like our YouTube channel to continue getting more updates. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also share at our YouTube handle at Care on Farm. Thank you. Bye bye.